as in non-monic quadratic expression. So non-monic means that there is a number in front of it, x squared. And the procedure is as follows. There's 4 steps you have to do. So the first step is to multiply the coefficient of x squared, which is 6, by the constant term. Alright, which is you get 60. Which is 60, right? And then you have to find 2 numbers which multiply to get 60 and then add to get 19. So you find 2 numbers. So you have to do some searching before you can write down the 2 numbers. Think about what numbers will work. 60, multiply to get 60, add to get 19. So you can start by writing 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 15 and 4 works. Okay, write 15 and 4. And then what do we do after that? We just have to split the middle term into 2 parts. The 15x and the 4x. And then you write down the rest, which is 10 and the 6x squared. Okay, so you split the term, middle term into 2 parts. And then you factorize by grouping in pairs. Factorize by grouping in pairs. So what you're going to do is to factorize in pairs. So this one you take out common factor. So the common factor is 3x, 2x plus 5, like that. And then take out common factor in the second pair, which is 2, 2x plus 5. So you will see that another common factor emerges, which you can take out. So therefore your answer will be 2x plus 5, 3x plus 2 is your final answer. So non-monic is a little bit more difficult. You have to do these extra steps, splitting and timesing. Okay. All right, question. So there's some white space. Then there's next 2 you have to do. Try to do the same thing. Follow these 4 steps to factorize the next 2. Sorry. All right, good. Okay, try the next 2. All right, finish. Okay. Of course, there's another way, but we'll use this way. All right. Yeah, I could do the other way. All right, all done? Okay, let's do the next question. So let's make it big. Okay, so the first step is to multiply the 4 by the 15, negative 15. So you get negative 60. So find 2 numbers which multiply to get negative 60, but add to get negative 4. That, okay. So try to work out, yep. Yes, minus 10 plus 6. Yep, like that. So you write 4x squared, and then you split the middle term into 2 parts, which is into 10x plus 6x, and then you write down minus 10. So split. After you split, you group in pairs. So you get 2x out, 2x minus 5, and the other one is 3. Not 3, 2 again. How come? Alright, anyway, 2 bracket. I made a mistake. Oh, yeah, I just realized. Should be, no, it's right, 2x minus 5. Yeah? Minus 15, oh, sorry. Minus 15, so minus 15, no.
No, the 10x, negative 10x, 6x.
4 times, alright, let's start Okay, rub this off. This doesn't work. Okay, what was the two numbers again?
Minus 10, minus up, and 6.
And 6, yeah.
Yeah, but the other minus 10. I'm doing
Oh,
the question.
sorry. Yeah, that's 15. Okay, now I get it. Okay, now you should work. So 2x and then x minus 5. 2x minus 5 and then take the 3 out. 2x minus 5. Okay, and then it works. So 2x minus 5 and then 2x plus 3. Okay, done. Any questions? All right, good. After we do this, try the next one. Next one's on the board. Have a try. Here, record. Okay, so we do 9 times negative 8, which is negative 72 times, and then add to get 6. Alright, so you probably have to try a few numbers. Anyone got the numbers? 12 and negative 6? Yes. Alright, very good. 12 and negative 6, split the middle term into 2. So 12x minus 6 minus 8, 9x squared, like this. And group in pairs, so this will be 3x taken out. The second one, there's a common factor of negative 2, so you write 3x plus 4. Like that. And then 3x plus 4 is common. And then you end up getting this. Alright, any question on non-monic? Once you're done, try the next page. There's a lot of factorizing. There's 4 non-monic you have to factorize. So I gave you the whole page to do. Right, try the next page or finish. Right, next page. Oh, there's one more. Now this one, you just have to take out a common factor of 3. You don't have to use the complicated method. Right, and then you just go 3, this will become monic. So sometimes if you can take out a common factor, don't use the long way. Just use the short way, plus 4 minus 2. Okay? Just be aware of that. That sometimes you don't have to use the long way because there's a common factor of 3, which reduces the quadratic into a monic quadratic. Okay? Alright, good. Now try this one. So I suggest you to do each of these separately. So factorize this first. Alright. Show all the work here and then factorize this and then factorize that. And then write them all out together. Okay, I'll have a go. Try factorizing everything. I'll give you like 5 minutes. I'll stop the video. Alright, let's start factorizing. So what do we have here? Negative 30 and plus to get 13. I think that will be negative 3 and negative 10. Actually, no. Negative 30 will be 15 minus 2, yes. So 15x minus 2x. Alright, so you just do this. And then you get, actually, I may do all the working on the other side. Let's copy this. Yeah, so you have enough space. Yeah, I just put it here. Alright, so you're going to go like this, split the middle terms. So split the middle term. And then take the 5 out. 5x, 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3. So I took the negative out. Okay, let's continue. 3. Oops. 3. Okay, and then you take out common factor, which is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3, and then you go 5x minus 1. Right? Alright, and then we have to factorize the next one, which is the 25x squared minus 10x plus 1. Yeah, so this one. By inspection, I see this is a perfect square. So 5x minus 1. Or if you did it differently, that's okay. I saw that that's a perfect square. And then the last one, 10x squared minus 17x plus 3. So times to get 30, add to get negative 17. That will be negative 2 and negative 15. Negative 2, negative 15x. And then take out common factors, so we get 2x, 5x minus 1, minus 5, minus 3, 5x minus 1, which become 5x minus 1, 2x minus 3. Now we've got all three. Yep, I think it's 1. So I'm going to highlight it so you can see that I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this. Okay, all three. I'm going to copy it over there. So you end up getting, the top one is a difference of 2 squared, so you get 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. And then rub this off. And then over the bottom, that will be 2x plus 3, 5x minus 1, and then times by 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1, and the bottom will be 5x minus 1, 2x minus 3. Very long question. So we're going to cancel. That's the fun bit, because you get to cancel things. So these two get cancelled. And then what's the next two? Green. These two get cancelled. And now I've got more colors. Purple. These two get cancelled. And then one more, which is the, let's choose black. Alright, everything got cancelled, so the answer is just 1. Alright, yep. No, I got it from the textbook. Yeah. Okay. Alright, okay, good. So all done. Finish. Alright, so we'll do the exercise 8D.